In the quaint village of Eldergrove, a mysterious discovery awaited at the edges of the twilight forest. An ancient scroll, dormant for centuries, lay hidden under the roots of an imposing oak. Amidst the whispers of legends, a curious cat named Morris, known for his insatiable love for parchment, stumbled upon this relic. With paws more precise than a curator's hand, Morris traced the scroll's delicate symbols. In a twist of serendipity, his playful antics revealed a forgotten map, pointing to a hidden chamber filled with legendary treasures. As villagers hailed Morris as a hero, it was clear that history had been rewritten by the curiosity of an unassuming feline.